Flextech, Guangdong Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, was established in 2003, specializes in R&D, production, sales and technical services of glass CNC, automatic glass corner grinding and automatic glass drilling machine. Located Foshan City, Guangdong. The company has multiple national invention patents and independent intellectual property rights. Our product ranging cover from 40 millimeters to 24 meter in different industrial sectors. Which covered white appliances, shower enclosures, interior design, and automotive glass, as well as artificial stone and natural stone for kitchen countertop and vanity top. The Vision Positioning Chamfering Machine, CAD one-click import, automatic glass CNC drilling machine, features one-click parameter setting and achieves precise single-pass forming of complex hole patterns. Flextech CNC intelligent machining significantly enhances precision manufacturing efficiency for glass, stone, photovoltaic panels, automotive glass, and more. Supported by 5 location service centers and cloud services for 24-hour rapid response. With our professional service team provides comprehensive support and care all Flextech glass machinery. With over 20 years of experience, Flextech is committed to becoming a leader in the glass and stone machine manufacturing industry. We strive for excellence in high-quality products, aiming to be the preferred option of global customers.